Hey guys, Agbarojo Sadiq is here. In today's video, I will show you how to earn $10 over and over again creating Gmail accounts for free. This is a pure make money online strategy that I've not talked about in any of my previous videos. So this is also a step-by-step video, so make sure you watch this video until the end and you don't skip any part, as I will be sharing the info about how to create this Gmail account for free and how to convert it to instant cash. Even if you've not earned any money online before, this strategy is sure to work for you, as you will be cashing out your first online income ever by following the simple step-by-step method I will show you in this video. And towards the end of this video, I will also be giving you a bonus method that will even enable you earn more money during this lockdown period. You know, a lot of people are looking for side online hustle to make some extra cool cash, and these strategies I'm to show you today are one of them, and very important. So easy to do. You don't have to spend a dime before you make this money. All you just need to do is to trade your time between 5 to 10 minutes and you are done creating or setting this method. You are done setting it up. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button right here and also hit the bell icon so that I will notify you whenever I post a new video such as this. Every day I post videos about ways to make money online, how to work from home and the likes. And in the coming weeks I will be posting more videos that even talks more about this. Having said that, let's jump straight into today's video. And the first website we'll be looking at is called playerup.com. It is spelled playerup.com. As this is a platform or a marketplace where you can buy, sell or trade different accounts such as Instagram accounts, game accounts and a lot of other accounts like that. Or you could either trade or sell or buy social media presence or social media engagement such as likes, share, view, comment, etc. As you can see, there are a whole lot of accounts to trade here, but today our focus is not to buy any game or to do any of those stuff. What our focus is to sell Gmail accounts, which you'll be creating for free, and I will show you that in a second. Let me show you how much people are making here by selling their Gmail account. And once you click on that, just click on G, the alphabet G, to locate Gmail. I think it should be somewhere here. Yeah, this is Gmail. Once you click on this, it's gonna take you, as you can see, Gmail OG account, buy, sell or trade. As you click on this again, then it takes you to see where you too can check for yourself how much people are actually selling their Gmail account. As you can see right here, this person is selling for $10, $43, $2, $7, $11, and the list goes on and on and on and on. So these are individuals that come here to list their account that they want to sell depending on the volume of your Gmail, which you can all create for free. As you can see right here, this person is even selling for $200. But one thing I want you to observe is that all these accounts are already phone verified accounts. So as you can see, verified. So then I'm going to show you now how to create this account by using Google email in a minute. Once you come to google.com, you come to gmail.com, then you come to create an account. Make sure you click on create an account for myself. It's going to take you here. Right here, all you just need to do is just to fill in your simple information. Let's say Sadiq, let's say, then is it going to generate? Okay, for it to be very easy, let me just come here. That is called junk app. It's going to help me to autofill all these lists. I just need to correct some things right here. For the purpose of this training, I just add to my password, then I copy and paste it in the confirm password. Just stay with me. This is gonna take a very few minutes to be done with. So it's gonna take you to the next page, and right here is gonna ask for phone number, and this phone number you don't want to put in your personal phone numbers, because you can only create one Gmail account with one phone number. If you are inserting the same phone number in multiple Gmail accounts, then your account is bound to be deleted permanently from the Gmail database. So what you need to do is to go to Google and type in receive SMS online. Then you're going to see some temporary phone numbers whereby you can use to receive SMS online, free SMS verification messages, and the likes. So once you come here, you're going to see loads and loads of numbers. For this, let me be using US. Let me click on the US. So you're going to see US numbers right here. Like if you are to use this one, this was added 2 years ago, number copied. So let's go back to Gmail and insert this number. First you need to change, right now I'm in Nigeria, so you need to change that to US. Then you come here and paste it right here. Once you paste it, make sure the +1 is cancelled. Then you insert your date of birth, then let's just say 1990 for instance. Then you also add your gender. You click on next. This number will be receiving the SMS once you click on send. So as you can see right here, I think this is the number I choose. So you can see, as you can see right here, this is just the message that Google sent to me. All you just need to do is to copy this number. Oh, you're gonna click everything right here. All you just need to do is to copy this number, then come back here and paste it here. Actually the G should not be there, as that G already symbolizes Google. As you can see, the account is already set up. All you just need to do is just to continue with that. Then you can create multiple accounts with this little strategy, and you are done setting up your Gmail. So if you can create as much as possible Gmail account with this. Then you come back to playerhub.com, you sign up for you to be able to sell your account. You can either sign up with Facebook, Twitter, Google, or Steam, whichever way. So it's gonna ask you some few informations, and that is all. Then the next strategy I'll be showing you, once you have signed up, then you'll be able to list your Gmail account for sale, just like this. Then the next strategy I want to show you is still on Player Hub. As you can see right here as well, they also have Facebook account and the likes. So Facebook buy and sell trade account, advertising, Facebook commenting, buy and sell followers. But for this, let's look at buying and selling of Facebook likes. Facebook likes. So let's see how much people are making just by trading Facebook like. You can see this person right here, $11, $2, 3.5, $3.50, and the likes, $10, $20, $27, $34, and the likes. So for you to get all these likes, all you just need to do is to go to a website called likeforlike.org. As you can see, likeforlike.com. I want to zoom this so that you can see likeforlike.com, and this is the website. Once you come here, you need to register. This website is also a social media engagement platform whereby the more likes you get, it's just like the reciprocal effect. The more you like other people's page, the more, if you, let's assume you like 1,000 people's page, then YouTube gonna get 1,000 likes on your post or video or image. So, and it's not just for Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Vine, SoundCloud, MySpace, and a lot of other social media platforms. All you just need to do to get this credit, you need to register first. Once you register, you'll be asked to input your username, your password. You will type your password, your Gmail, you will type your Gmail. Then you come to I agree to the terms and conditions. Then you also click on I'm not a robot. Just because I already have an account, or I will just go to login. Once I get to login, I will input my login details. Once I do that, I click on submit. Once I'm able to log in, as you can see, immediately you create an account, you're going to get 30 credits. And once you get this 30 credits, this is what will enable you to get all these likes. You need to get more credit as you can. So once you come here, you come to Facebook likes, then you can see these are the tasks, these are the simple tasks you have to do to earn even more credit. And what are these things? You just click on them. Once you click on any of these, then it shows you the page you are to like. You make sure this page loads. Once it loads, you just like the page, then you get the credit added to your account automatically. As you can see, this is the page right here. All I need to do is just to click on the like button, then wait. Then once I'm done with this, in few seconds now, this will change to the added credits that will come here. So these are the tasks you just need to do. And also, as you can see, please manually close the pop-up window after you insert the page. Okay, manually. I think I'm not doing something right there. Let me go there again. Okay, for me to earn the credit, I need to manually close the pop-up, which I think, oh yeah, I am not doing something right there. I like it. Okay, so then I will manually end this pop-up. So let's see. Okay, as you can see, this has changed. I earned 9 credits already. So I will just need to come here again. You can keep doing this. As you can see, there are lots and lots of tasks for you to do right here that will keep earning you this credit. And there are even some that there are even more than 9 credits. There are some tasks that will earn you 10 and the likes. So this also will also earn me 9 credits if I should click on it. Now, how do you now get people to, how do you now get more likes that you'll be able to sell? So for you to do that, all you just need to do is, let's assume that someone from Player Up wants to buy 1,000 likes from you. All you just need to do is just to come right here and click on add and manage pages. Then you go to Facebook likes. Once you're here, the page, this person right here will submit a link to their page or to their image or to their video that they want you to post or to add the likes to. So all you just need to do is just to get the link, copy and paste it, and put it right here, Facebook URL, and you also talk about the description of what the page or what the image is all about. Then this is where the work is actually. So you could either say that you give each likes 5 credits per likes. You see, the lower the credit, the slower it is. Let's assume if you say 21 credits per like, then it will be super fast. Everyone will be clicking on it, then you get the likes instantly. But for the purpose of this, you could just say 5 credits per like. Once you add the URL, let's just assume this is the URL. Once you click on this and you copy it, let's just assume for the purpose of this, you just click on right here and paste it back. Then you write a description about what it is. This is the page I want the likes to go. Then you just click on add URL. Then a lot of this page, once you immediately you click on this, it will instantly come back right here and it will be listed here as well. Then as people keep coming, they keep liking it, then this your credit will keep reducing. Once it reach 0, then the likes will stop. Then by this you already earn, depending on the listing, because this is individual price. And what does Player Up actually does? Player Up serve as a middleman to ensure that there is a safe transaction between the vendor and the person purchasing it. So, and at the end of the transaction, Player Up is going to earn some little amount of percentage, like 1% or 10% from the sales, from any successful sales. So they ensure that there is security. As you can see, world most secure player to player account marketplace, and that is just what it is. So this is the strategy I have to show you today. And you see, the problem with this is that this won't make you a millionaire. It could earn you some extra income just to pay some bills, like extra $100, $200 on a weekly basis. But this won't actually lead you to financial freedom, because actually you are still trading your time for money. But if you want to see what I'm doing to earn extra cash online, residual income, by doing less hours of work every single day, and I'm earning lots and lots of money, click on the description. I'll be dropping some links in the description down below. Make sure you check the description and click on the links. Most of them are free trainings that will teach you online marketing, affiliate marketing. All you just need to do is just to cancel out 1 hour, 2 hours from your time to make sure you watch the training to the end, and by then you'll be earning this big residual money. So having said that, thank you for watching today's video. I really appreciate you. Check back tomorrow for another fresh strategy that talks about ways to make money online. Thank you very much. Peace out.